No.
This right here, toolbox, alright? Before we get to that, we gotta talk about safety.
Yes, sir. If you're gonna use a toolbox, you need to use some darn safety goggles. Like you see it right here.
Alright, now we're gonna talk about tools and toolbox.
This here's toolbox.
Toolbox, see? They look like that. This right here, quarter-inch sockets, alright? These quarter-inch sockets right here. These right here, half-inch, 3/8.
This here right here, nut driver. Yes, sir. We got plenty of them.
This right here, it's a ratchet. Take these daggone things like this, tighten some bolts and stuff.
This right here, there's the keys. You don't lose them, you won't be able to get in your toolbox. Very important. Keep them around your neck.
These are called extenders. Alright, put them on here, and that's how you want.
Get you a dang toaster.
So you can get down and reach stuff so you don't have to break your back and arm trying to get it.
Yes, sir.
Alright, stop it. This right here, this is Allen socket set, alright?
Yes, sirree.
These are torque socket sets. This is a swivel socket so you can get up in tight spaces without having a funky wrench or ratchet. This right here is an extender. Just like these down over here. You just stand it, put a little thing out there and wrench away.
This right here, it's a breaker bar.
Alright, that's it. That's it.
Yes, sirree. Right here we got us some needle nose pliers with a convenient wire cutter on them.
These right here, they're not called dikes, okay? They're called wire cutters, alright? Get that in your brain.
Right here we got some wire strippers. Like them.
Got your adjustable wrench right here. Put them on a nut, adjust it. There you go.
We got a bigger adjustable wrench, just in case you didn't know that was in there.
Yep. And this short special, alright? You got a scraper, gasket scraper, alright? You use this to get stuff gaskets, alright? Use it to get stuff off gaskets.
Right here we got some a hook and pick set. Yep.
You got a punch and chisel set, so if you got a nut stuck somewhere, take this punch, bam.
Got you a putty knife. You can go and lay it on it, just like peanut butter on peanut butter and jelly.
Yes, sir.
Alright, here we go to the fifth drawer and we got us some pry bars. We'll
Big pry bar, little pry bar.
Medium pry bar. Got a little pry bar.
Got you a, thing that'll, pick up, oh, it's right here. Look, see? Pick you up a daggone bolt if you drop it. You ain't gotta kill your back for it. Yee.
Gosh dang it, Jacob, you're a genius.
Yep. This right here, test light. This is your ground. Wait, no, this is your ground. And this is what you poke with to see if you got electricity in there. If you got electricity, it'll light up, alright? This right here is the air nozzle. Yee. Stick your little air chuck in there. Yep.
Alright, get down to our fifth drawer.
Whoa. Yes, sir.
Alright, we got us a rubber mallet. You say kaboom boom.
Bang, bang.
Ding,
Got
ding.
you a ball peen hammer. Ping, ping.
Alright, you got a regular ball peen hammer. Go king king.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And then we got us some
This is what you
car
stick on the
mats.
side of the car so you don't ruin the car.
yes, sir.
Fender cover.
Fender
Yes, sir.
cover. And don't
This is
forget to
toolbox.
use your safety goggles. Yes, sir.
Yee.